बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू इंटेंसिव स्टडी। आज के लेक्चर में हम करंट अफेयर्स करेंगे जुलाई के मंथ के। हम नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल तमाम अहम अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। आज के लेक्चर में हम जो भी लर्न करेंगे इसकी पीडीएफ फाइल आपको टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में मिल जाएगी, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में गिवन है। वीडियो को एंड तक देखें। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे न्यू हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि डेली बेस पे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलते रहें। लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। Recently, which country to support Pakistan in the energy sector? Denmark. The federal government have adopted an ambitious policy for alternative and renewable energy in order to transform Pakistan's energy sector and generate 60% of all energy through clean and renewable sources by 2030. The Azad Jammu and Kashmir Election Commission will hold the elections in Dash constituencies on July 25, 2021. 33 constituencies. According to the Chief Election Commissioner, general elections would be held in 33 constituencies located within the limit of the AJK and for 12 seats of Jammu and Kashmir refugees settled in Pakistan. Liverpool, which was removed from UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in which country? UK. UNESCO has removed the Liverpool city of the United Kingdom from its World Heritage status. This decision was taken after the UN committee found some developments threatening the value of the city's waterfront. Which countries have agreed principally to form a quadrilateral tie with the USA, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Uzbekistan? The United States of America, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and Uzbekistan have in principle agreed to form a quadrilateral tie to boost their diplomatic relationship among the countries. Pedro Castillo has been elected as the new president of which country? Peru. Faster, Higher, Stronger Together is the updated motto of which of the following events? Olympics 2021. Next है Saad Hariri, who has stepped down as the Prime Minister designate of which country? Lebanon. Cambridge 1, which was making news recently, is the supercomputer of which country? UK. The UK's most powerful supercomputer named Cambridge 1 is operational now. It's expected to make the process of preventing, diagnosing, and treating disease faster and cheaper. It's a $100 million investment by US based computing company Nvidia. Jovenel Moise, who was assassinated recently, was the president of which country? Haiti. Haiti Prime Minister Jovenel Moise, a 53-year-old who took office in 2017, was shot dead recently by a group of heavily armed assassins at his home. Recently, which country opened a strategic naval base on the Mediterranean Sea? Egypt. Which city is to host the 2032 Olympic Games? Brisbane, जो कि ऑस्ट्रेलियन सिटी है. The International Olympic Committee President Thomas Bach has announced that the Australian city of Brisbane has been selected to host the 2032 Summer Olympics. Which country has launched a high-speed maglev train which can attain a top speed of 600 km per hour? China. China has launched a high-speed train that works on magnetic levitation और जिसको maglev भी कहते हैं, which is designed to achieve a top speed of 600 km per hour. This is stated to be the world's fastest ground vehicle. S-500 is the air defense missile system developed by which country? Russia. Recently, which country invited Prime Minister Imran Khan to the Middle East Green Initiative Summit? Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia on July 30, 2021 invited Prime Minister Imran Khan to the Middle East Green Initiative Summit being held in October. Saudi Ambassador Nawaf bin Saeed Ahmad Al Malki delivered the invitation to Prime Minister Khan at his office. Which Asian country was declared malaria free by the World Health Organization recently? China. China has been officially certified as malaria free by the World Health Organization. It's the only second country in the Asia Pacific region to get the tag after Sri Lanka in 2016. Which country announced the intermediary guidelines and digital media ethics code? India. The Communist Party of which country has celebrated its 100th foundation year recently? China. Legendary Indian actor Dilip Kumar died on which date? July 7, 2021. Novak Djokovic and Ashley Barty, who won the Wimbledon title 2021, are from Dash and Dash countries respectively, Serbia and Australia. President Dr. Arif Alvi conferred the Dash Award on Commander of Turkish Land Forces General Umit Dundar. Nishane-e-Imtiaz. Pakistan's President Arif Alvi on Monday conferred the Nishane-e-Imtiaz or Order of Excellence, a highly prestigious military award, on the commander of the Turkish Land Forces, General Umit Dundar, at the President House in the capital Islamabad. Which city hosted the G20 finance ministers and central bank governors meeting held in July 2021? Venice City. Which country has won the 2021 Copa America football? Argentina. Who is newly appointed Ombudsman of Balochistan? नज़र मोहम्मद बलोच. उन्होंने 18 जुलाई 2021 को ओथ ली अपने ऑफिस की. नेक्स्ट है, when the former Chief Minister of Sindh, Mr. Mumtaz Ali Bhutto, passed away at the age of 94 in Karachi, 18th July 2021. 18 जुलाई 2021 को मुमताज़ अली भुट्टो वफ़ात पा गए. उनकी उम्र 94 साल थी. उन्होंने पाकिस्तान पीपल पार्टी में काम किया 1967 से लेकर 1989 तक. सिंध नेशनल फ्रंट में काम किया 1989 से लेकर 2017 तक. और पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ में काम किया 2017 से लेकर 2021 तक. Recently, on which date Saudi Arabia's foreign minister visited Pakistan? 27 जुलाई 2021. Which country won the 2020 UEFA European Football Championship? Italy. Italy is the champion of the 2020 UEFA European Football Championship. Italy has defeated England at the Wembley Stadium on penalties to win their second Euro title. Which Asian country has passed a bill criminalizing torture and custodial deaths? Pakistan. The Senate of Pakistan has recently passed a bill named Torture and Custodial Death Prevention and Punishment Bill, which aims to criminalize torture and custodial deaths. Recently, the SCO Foreign Minister meeting being held in which city? Dushanbe, जो कि ताजिकिस्तान में है. The world's deepest swimming pool for underwater diving has opened in which city? Dubai. Which country hosted the 7th edition of Indian Ocean Naval Symposium in 2021? France. The Qingdao J20, which was in news recently, was developed by which country? China. Next है, which country's ambitious Mars mission is otherwise called HOPE? UAE. The United Arab Emirates Mars probe is otherwise called HOPE. It has captured pictures of auroras around the red planet for the first time in the world. Which country has scored first rank in Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021? USA. Jolo Island, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which country? Philippines. Philippines Air Force transport plane, the C-130 Hercules, crashed recently, killing at least 50 people. As many as 49 soldiers were injured in the fiery crash when the C-130 Hercules transport plane missed the runway while trying to land on the southern island of Jolo. Dashi Island, which was seen in the news recently, is located in which sea? Caspian Sea. Who is the current governor of Balochistan? Said Zahoor. इनसे पहले थे जस्टिस अमानुल्लाह खान यासिन जई जिन्होंने रिज़ाइन किया अपनी पोस्ट से, और प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर आरिफ अलवी ने अपॉइंट किया सैयद ज़हूर आगा को एज ए गवर्नर ऑफ बलोचिस्तान। नेक्स्ट है, हु इज़ द करंट आईजी ऑफ आज़ाद कश्मीर एजेके पुलिस? सुहेल हबीब ताजिक। सुहेल हबीब ताजिक is said to be the first DIG ranked police officer posted against the BS-22 post of the AJK IGP, superseding 70 senior police officers. EU and Daesh have signed an agreement to launch Balochistan Education Support Program (UNICEF). The European Union and the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund (UNICEF) have signed an agreement to launch the Balochistan Education Support, a 5-year education development program for which the EU will provide 17.4 million euros. Japanese Navy ship visited Karachi port. Named Yugri. Japanese Navy ship Yugri on Sunday 11 July 2021 have visited Karachi port. According to the spokesperson of Pakistan Navy, the senior officials of the Pakistan Navy and the Japanese Defense attached welcomed the ship. Who has become the fastest batsman to score 14 ODI centuries? Babar Azam. Pakistan captain Babar Azam became the fastest batsman to notch up 14 ODI centuries in terms of innings, surpassing the likes of Hashim Amla, Indian captain Virat Kohli, and Australian batsman David Warner. Pakistan captain Babar Azam on Tuesday, July 27, 2021, altered the record book with the century he scored against England during the third ODI Edgbaston. Recently, which social media gained introduced marketplace for Pakistani entrepreneurs? Facebook. A new chapter of e-commerce is set to start in the country after social media giant Facebook introduced its customer-to-customer platform that will enable people to buy and sell items. I am happy to see that after Amazon, Facebook has also launched marketplace for Pakistan. Prime Minister Advisor on Commerce Razak Daud said on July 30, 2021. In which province Abdul Sattar Edi's statue installed? बलोचिस्तान कोयटा। कोयटा का एक फेमस चौक है हॉकी चौक, वहाँ पे ये स्टेचू इंस्टॉल किया गया 8 जुलाई 2021 को। द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सियालकोट विल बी द फर्स्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन टू establish and dash study center in Pakistan, Africa based. The development is backed by the embassy in Pakistan in Rabat, Morocco. Who is the current Secretary Election Commission of Pakistan? Umar Hamid. The Election Commission of Pakistan has appointed Umar Hamid, a retired Grade 22 officer of the Secretariat Group, a Secretary Election Commission on a contract basis. Zafar Iqbal, a retired officer of Grade 21, has been appointed as Special Secretary Election Commission on a 1-year contract. Former President of Pakistan Mamnoon Hussain passed away on which date? 14th July 2021. Pakistan was ranked dash on the Global Food Security Index of 2020 out of 113 countries, 80. Which Asian country has drafted its new 3-year action plan for cybersecurity industry? China. The 6th meeting of the Uzbek-Pakistani Intergovernmental Commission on Trade, Economic and Scientific Technical Cooperation held in Tashkent. At the 6th meeting of the Uzbek-Pakistani Intergovernmental Commission on Trade, Economic and Scientific Technical Cooperation held in Tashkent. Next है Pakistan Navy ship Zulfikar recently visited Portsmouth, located in which country? United Kingdom. In Dasu bus explosion, how many Chinese engineers were killed? 9 Chinese. Who is the only Pakistani cricketer to take 100 wickets in T20 International? Nida Dar. निदा डार पाकिस्तान की पहली क्रिकेटर हैं, मेल या फीमेल दोनों में से, जिन्होंने 100 विकेट्स ली हैं T20 इंटरनेशनल्स में। Which country has passed the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act? USA. Exercise Talisman Sabre 21 is a biennial multinational military exercise between Australia and the United States. Exercise Talisman Sabre is a biennial multinational military exercise led by the Australia and the United States. More than 17,000 troops from the two allied nations will participate in Talisman Sabre, which is held every 2 years in Australia from July 14 to 31. Recently, Bashar al-Assad was sworn in as president for a fourth term of which country? Syria. Exercise Shield, virtual maritime exercise held between which countries? India, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Next है, who owns the private space agency Blue Origin? Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, owns the privately funded space agency Blue Origin. The agency's spaceship named New Shepard has made a successful trip to space and back to Earth with Jeff Bezos and three others on board. Which state became the first Gulf state to open an embassy in Israel? UAE. 14 जुलाई 2021 को यूएई पहली गल्फ स्टेट बन गई जिसने ओपन की एम्बेसी इसराइल में. नेक्स्ट है, विच कंट्री इज़ द एशिया पैसिफिक इकोनॉमिक कॉपरेशन होस्ट इन 2021? न्यूजीलैंड. न्यूजीलैंड इज़ द रिवॉल्विंग होस्ट ऑफ द एशिया पैसिफिक इकोनॉमिक कॉपरेशन फोरम. इट इज़ हेडक्वार्टर्ड इन सिंगापुर. Prime Minister Haitham Mishishai, removed from the post recently, belonged to which country? Tunisia. Tunisian President Kais Saied suspended parliament and dismissed Prime Minister Haitham Mishishai on July 25, 2021, following protest against the ruling party. Recently, which country won its first gold medal in Olympics? Philippines. Recently, who became new Prime Minister of Lebanon? Najib Azim Mikati. Who is the youngest athlete to compete in Tokyo Olympics? Hand Zaza. Hand Zaza is a Syrian table tennis player. Hand Zaza is a 12-year-old Syrian table tennis player. Is the youngest athlete competing at the Tokyo Games after winning the West Asia qualifying tournament at 11-year-old table tennis player. Hand Zaza became the youngest athlete competing in Tokyo Olympics. Who became the youngest person to scaling the world's second highest mountain K2? Sheroz Kashif. A 19-year-old Pakistani climber on Tuesday, July 27, 2021 became the youngest person in the world to reach the summit of K2, the second highest peak in the world. Mr. Sheroz Kashif from Lahore achieved the feat of scaling the 8,611 meter high peak with the aid of bottled oxygen. Last है, which country hosted the G20 Culture Ministers Meeting 2021? Italy. G20 Culture Ministers Meeting hosted by Italy. The meeting was held on 30 July 2021. The main focus of meeting was on ideas related to the protection of cultural heritage. G20 is an intergovernmental forum which comprises European Union and 19 countries including India. आज का टॉपिक यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हुआ. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलते रहें. थैंक यू.